Now to a KRDO News Channel 13 investigation that found some southern Colorado nursing homes are failing to protect the most vulnerable members of our community.
Shocking state inspection details reveal those nursing homes lacked basic COVID-19 precautions to prevent the spread of the virus. KRDO News Channel 13 investigative reporter Chelsea Brensel joins us live in Colorado Springs at one of the nursing homes the state found to be in violation.
Some of the nursing homes cited have already made corrections, including here at Medallion Post-Acute Rehabilitation. Some of the most common violations found at nursing homes in southern Colorado include a lack of hand washing, social distancing, and mask wearing. In March and April, state inspectors visited nursing homes to make sure they were following mandatory federal guidelines in response to COVID-19. Inspectors found 6 nursing homes in El Paso and Pueblo counties to be in violation. They are Cedarwood Healthcare Center, Medallion Post-Acute Rehabilitation, Sundance Skilled Nursing and Rehabilitation, University Park Care Center, Life Care Center of Pueblo, and Belmont Lodge Healthcare Center. At Cedarwood Healthcare Center in Colorado Springs, an inspector found staff failed to wash their hands even when coming into contact with quarantine patients. In an email, a spokesperson for Cedarwood Healthcare Center called the violations low-level deficiencies and said staff immediately implemented a state-approved corrective action plan. Inspectors at Medallion Post-Acute Rehabilitation found multiple new residents were not put in isolation for 14 days per federal guidelines. They reported nurses failing to change gloves in between cleaning and resident care. Inspectors also say staff and residents were not wearing face masks and residents were not properly social distancing in common areas. The nursing home director at Medallion tells KRDO those errors have been corrected. He says inspectors came back in mid-May and found no violations. At Sundance Skilled Nursing and Rehabilitation, inspectors found the nursing home failed to provide residents with masks. Representatives for the nursing home did not respond to our request for comment. Meanwhile, at University Park Care Center in Pueblo, the state reported more than a dozen staff, family members, and vendors were allowed to enter without washing their hands first. University Park Care Center tells KRDO it immediately submitted a correction plan, which was approved by the state. Over at Life Care Center of Pueblo, state inspectors found nurses going in isolation rooms without personal protective equipment. Life Care Center of Pueblo did not respond to our request for comment on the inspection. And inspectors cited Belmont Lodge Healthcare Center for failing to store medication safely amid the pandemic. Belmont Lodge did not respond to KRDO when asked for their side of the story. Today, the state told us that all violating facilities will receive follow-up inspections. And additionally, we've learned that by the end of tomorrow, all nursing homes within the state of Colorado will be inspected for COVID-19 precautions. Live in Colorado Springs, Chelsea Brensel, KRDO News Channel 13.